TripBid, morning jobs. This video is part of a series of 3 tutorials on how to use the TripBid application. You can find links to the other tutorials in the video description and in the cards. In this video, we're going to explain how morning jobs work and how to register correctly through the app. What are morning jobs? Morning jobs are scheduled trips for the following morning between 4 a.m. and 9:59 a.m. Registration opens every day at 3 p.m. We go to the Morning Jobs tab. Here we must select one borough only. Tap the Job Request button. When we tap Job Request, we are registered for morning jobs in that area. It is important to register only once. If we tap Request in more than one borough, the previous registration is cancelled. How jobs are assigned. Dispatch calls drivers in the order they registered and assigns the available jobs. The goal of morning jobs is to build a complete working route for the driver, including return trips. If the driver starts working before 6 a.m., up to 6 trips with their returns can be assigned. If the driver starts after 6 a.m., up to 4 trips with their returns are assigned. Where to see assigned jobs. Morning jobs assigned to the driver appear in the My Trips tab. From there, the driver can review the details of each scheduled trip. Punctuality in morning jobs is critical. If the driver arrives late to the first trip, the entire route is affected. Warnings may be issued, and the driver may lose the privilege of receiving morning jobs. This was the complete explanation of how morning jobs work in TripBid. If you want to see how to properly complete assigned trips, watch the video TripBid, Applying to Trips and Completing a Trip. And if you need help navigating the app, watch TripBid.the-app and the interface. Links are available in the description, the cards, and at the end of this video.